Okay, today we had the pleasure to collaborate together. It was the first time then we work, and I have to say then it was very helpful. The good things about team it was the discipline, and it was very precise.
Today was working with the ICCA culinary school with the student who was helping me actually and helping all the chefs here. Was amazing.
They're doing amazing job. They assist me a lot for today, all right? So they learn a lot as well, okay? Even for their experience, amazing.
The complete ICCA team was very supportive, and they helped to make this event very successful. Thank you.
So it was a great honor and a great pleasure working with them, and hopefully working with them in the future when they become a great chef.
Great help from ICCA. Kids around were very helping and fantastic.
They actually made us our life easier today, and helping every stations and every chefs was impressed. And I have a great team member from ICCA actually supported me. Thanks a lot, and I really appreciate it.
So having students around, it makes the event more meaningful, because we're not just here to serve food, but as well to get to inspire other chefs as well to be one of us in the future.